Hi there, this is Soman and you're watching the Genesis YouTube channel. Today we discuss problem 16 of the JEE Advanced 2020. The problem goes like this. Consider 1 mole of helium gas enclosed in a container at initial pressure P1 and volume V1. It expands isothermally to a volume 4V1. After this, the gas expands adiabatically and its volume becomes 32V1. The work done by the gas during isothermal and adiabatic expansion processes are W-iso and W-adia respectively. If the ratio W-iso is to W-adia is F ln2, then F is. So we have to find the value of F accurate up to 2 decimal places. The information given is represented on the PV graph. The starting point A has coordinates P1, V1. Then the gas undergoes isothermal expansion to come to point B, and from B it undergoes adiabatic expansion to come to point C. For the isothermal process A to B, Boyle's law will give us the final pressure at B. Apply Boyle's law, PAVA equals PBVB, and from there immediately you'll be able to find PB, remembering that volume at B is given to be 4 times V1. Now the net work done by the gas in an isothermal process is given by W is equal to nRT ln V final by V initial. We have W iso is equal to number of moles of helium gas was given to be 1 into RT into ln final volume is 4V1, initial volume is V1. This becomes 2RT ln 2 and RT can be written as P1V1 using the ideal gas equation. So W iso is basically 2P1V1 ln 2. For the adiabatic process B to C, the equation of process PV power gamma is equal to constant with the value gamma is equal to 5 by 3 for helium. Helium is monoatomic, so gamma is 5 by 3. This gives PBVB power gamma is equal to PCVC power gamma. Now substitute the values. VB is 4 times V1 and VC is given in the question to be 32 times V1. PB we have found P1 by 4. So substituting these values we get PC as P1 by 28. The work done in an adiabatic process is given by PFVF minus PIVI by 1 minus gamma, and therefore in the process B to C, W adia is PCVC minus PBVB divided by 1 minus gamma. Substitute all the values, simplify, you will get 9P1V1 by 8. And now we can divide W iso by W adia, and this will give us the answer 16 by 9 ln 2. In the question, this ratio was given as F ln 2, and therefore matching this, we get F is equal to 16 by 9, which is 1.78. So the answer to this question is 1.78. This is a standard question based on thermodynamic processes, and it essentially checks your simple formula retention. This question is a must-do for all students and falls in the category of a no-miss problem. Students who have studied well will definitely be able to do this. Keep watching out for more JEE Advanced 2020 solutions on the JEE Advanced 2020 playlist of Genesis YouTube channel. Till the next video, stay healthy, stay safe y'all.